All right, I'm at the Mill Village. We got one coming by. It's a coal train. I seen it in Greenwood earlier. SVWX. I've been reading comments on the videos. You'll see conversations about where I seen this train up in Pennsylvania. Well, I was in West Virginia, just came out Pennsylvania. And I got another gentleman that lives over near the ocean that has been talking about the power plant over there and stuff. Nice quiet train. I only heard one flat spot. He's heading uphill north. He's pulling uphill. It looks loaded to me, but it's supposed to be an empty coal train. I saw it over in Greenwood earlier. It's completely empty, but the springs are all compressed. Well, no, they're not. This is an empty train. I'm backwards. Got DTU comment 3311. All right, the bridge is goes over Highway 72, in case y'all want to look at Google Maps and try to figure out where I'm at. CSX crossing over Highway 72 in Abbeville. I'm at the Mill Village right now. Yeah, they tell me the train goes to Kentucky, but I saw it coming out of Pennsylvania, y'all. So I assume what it was, since it was on Norfolk Southern track, that they hand the train over Norfolk Southern, they take it up to Pennsylvania, it gets loaded, they turn around, bring it back on Norfolk Southern, and then they hand it off to CSX, probably in Tennessee. That's what happens in Tennessee with CSX and a coal train, I'm sure. All right, thank y'all.